loud, it's not bad, but anyway, a couple doe out there working their way through. There was 4 or 5 deer right under her blind ear. Decided to set this. I don't know, it's probably my best stand for rifle rally because you can see you have a lot more field of view. But pretty windy today. We'll see what happens. We've only heard one shot so far. There was a decent 8-point out there. We couldn't tell exactly how big or whatever. He didn't look real big. I think it's one of the ones I passed on earlier in the year. But
I got him.
You see him?
I just picked him up. I can't.
In the woods.
They're way out there.
Shootable.
No. Not yet, anyway.
But he worked his way across the field and into the woods really fast. We didn't even have time to grab the gun and get on him, but see what happens. You never know. They're milling around in that woods. It's really windy out, so I think they're probably getting out of the wind a little bit.
You have a tripod out here?
No. Just realized I got another deer right here in between the house and the blind. When we came up this morning, they were all bedded right here in this locust grove. They've been bedding out here ever since I got rid of my cows this spring, and without the cows out here monkeying around or harassing them, they kind of moved in, which I guess is good and bad because I hate spooking them getting into here, and I used to be able to get in and out without spooking anything. But that 8 worked his way into the woods, and he catches a glimpse of it every once in a while, but it's too thick to shoot out into there, so probably gonna have to wait for him to come back out. Whether that's during the day today or might not be till late tonight, but I'd almost bet that he'll be back out in the field at some point today. A little doe, yearling. Probably one of the ones we kicked out coming back to bed, so we didn't spook them that bad. At least not the little ones. We just had another decent buck walk through. He come out the corner of my food plot over there. Never saw him till he got right there at the corner of my fence, and he walked in the woods right where that pine is. By the time we grabbed the gun, all you could see was his ass end, and couldn't shoot, but I'm guessing he was not pressured at all. I mean, he might have got bumped off the neighbors or something, but I'm guessing he's going to come down through this block of woods and potentially cross and go in where those deer went in this morning. So if that's the case, we might still get a shot at him here in a couple minutes.
They both look small in the face.
Yeah, I think it's a couple yearlings. I see him. I see him. He's coming up. Get ready, Josh. He's almost in your window. There's a little limb there, so just be careful. See it?
Left.
You're probably good to shoot.
To the left or to the right?
To the right.
I lost it.
Big brown spot. To your right, to your right, to your right. Right there. Look. See him?
Yeah.
Dump him.
Is that a shooter?
Let him pick his head up.
It's unstable.
Get stable, Josh. And hold on, let me range that. Oh, he's a shooter. It's about 300 yards, so just hold. Basically, about at his back. I'm gonna video from out here. I'm on him, Josh. Did you hear me about holding on his back?
Yeah.
Not even just a little below, or nah, just hold on his back. You'll be fine.
Should I wait?
No,
What?
no, take him. Just real easy, Josh. Let me know when you're gonna shoot. Yeah. Dumped him. Dumped him. Woo! Yes. 300 yards.
Not bad for not a stable rest.
Without that wasn't in your gun.
That wasn't even my gun.
Yes. Let's frickin' go, dude. Opening day.
Opening day.
Love it. Well, he laid right down.
Thank you.
Let's go get him and we'll get back up in here and hopefully maybe another one will come out before dark for me.
Do you think, I think I spined it?
No, you hit him. I don't know. I mean,
He didn't drop like
I have no idea where you were aiming. He dropped his back legs and then his front legs went down. There's two coming out to check on him. One is the mature doe I think he was probably with or whatever. She's probably a hot doe, just wondering where her buck went. This freaking little one down here never even stood up when we shot. I can't believe that little one's still right there. And those two just heard a shot. Watch that deer drop to the ground. And they're still just standing right around. It's crazy. I've never had that happen before. Maybe I have, but I can't believe they're all still right here. So we're just gonna sit here, I think. It's only like 2 hours till dark. It'll be more than fine. It's pretty decently. I mean, it's not cold, but it's not warm either. So he'll be fine. And we'll get him gutted out as soon as the dark rolls around. We'll see if we can't kill one here for me before dark, so. Yeah, I can't believe that happened like that. It's only, what Josh, 3 o'clock? It's only 3, right?
Not even.
Still 2:50, 2.5 hours-ish of light, and I can't believe these deer are out here feeding immediately after we just dropped a buck there. And there's a good chance that that first buck we seen this morning will come back out. I think this was the second buck we saw that Josh spotted over here in the corner
It's your call. He's on the scrape.
I don't want to shoot through that brush if I don't have to. He's going right down the hedgerow. How far is that? 250. 250 is what you said earlier. 250. I'm on it. You ready? Yep. Matt! There he is. I hit him.
I think you did the first time.
Huh?
I think you hit him the first time. Nice. More. Nice job, Chris.
I don't know if I hit him. Wish I would have dumped him. That's a 300.
I think he took a bullet. Well, we got plenty of time to go look.
Well, let's go.
Let's go. It's thick. Oh, dude, that's lung blood. Look, it's chunky.
Where'd he go?
Look, right here.
I didn't even see where he went. Fine. Let's frickin' go, dude. Holy crap.
Doubled up and...
Did we... That was not a bad shot at all.
No, you made a great shot.
I did not have good blood. I mean, it right at point of impact, but...
Yeah. Absolutely. Nice. Not bad for a last minute trip.
It's a nice buck. Heck yeah, dude. That's a nice 8.
Dude. Nice. Nice. Is that the exit?
That would be the entrance.
Didn't even come out.
Oh, it definitely came out. He's a cool buck. Look at that rack.
He's a cool buck.
Doubled up with one of my best friends from Arizona.
From here.
From here, but grew up hunting with him here in New York.
Takes all over him.
And we got it done today.
Dude, that's so cool. I've never doubled up before.
On video. On video, on opening day, on the same stand. Within, how long was your shot before mine?
20 minutes maybe? 30 tops?
Maybe 45 tops, but Well, anyway, guys, we're gonna head back to the house. We're gonna get these dragged out. Post some pictures here when we get them together with me and Josh. And thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.